Your ideas, whatever you want to come to life, you come to Metallon and we're gonna make them happen. Our people and our equipment really shine at the 100 to 500,000 range. Even if you're not a customer with us, you could always shoot us an email, you could always give us a call, and you could always allow us to see your parts to see if we can make them better, if we can make them more efficient. Hi, I'm James Ayub from Metallon Incorporated, and we specialize in high volume precision metal stamping. Our capabilities in progressive stamping include draw work, high volume, high speed stamping, but our sweet spot is those higher volume ranges of 100,000, 250,000, 500,000. So we have automotive stamping, we have industrial stamping, and we have medical stamping and assemblies. And we can basically handle any service or size. It doesn't matter the bends, it doesn't matter the width of material. No matter what, we're gonna find the solution for you. We hold tight tolerances, and we have a very clean shop, so you never really have to worry about having oil-drenched parts. You never really have to worry about burrs. We have a keen eye for quality assurance, and we want to make sure that no matter what parts we're sending out the door, that they are beyond 1,000% inspected. We go to about 1/4 inch in thickness, which is pretty thick. We can stamp very thin material, and I believe this is about 6 thousandths thick. All of our tool makers are very experienced. It's important to have in-house because it drives costs down and it allows us to keep the longevity of these tools. This is an automotive piece we make. We stamp it in one of our largest presses, a 150-ton press. They knew that they wanted this bracket, but they were not sure how they were going to get this secondary pierce hole and tap in at the same time because they believed that it would be too difficult to engineer all these bends and also tap these holes within the press. So we gave them the solution. Instead of having them have to send it out, we decided that we would do everything in-house for them, just to add more value to this product and drive their costs down. So we gave them the solution to have a secondary operation, an auto line, where we could feed these parts and it pierces another hole through the other side and tap the holes at the same time. We'll do it for any customer that wants us to add value to their product. So here we have another part for our aerospace industry. And in this part, we put it through an auto line as well. The secret of this thing is that we've actually put together all the components, and no other company does that under one roof. So we actually make these screens in-house, we make the cups in-house. We do send it to get plated, but it's a very, very close operation, so the turnaround is very quick. These are all different shapes and variations for the aerospace division. We're not necessarily a supplier, we're more of a partner because we take their ideas and we'll go back and forth with them to figure out what their best situation is. So when it comes to high volume stamping, a lot of our automotive is very dependent on us. Our customers cannot run their line without our stampings, so we have to always be ahead of the curve, and we always have to make sure that our machinery and our lines are always open. So when it comes to lead time, we always have to be one step ahead of our customers.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.